This is my knife, and making this video second time because you know about my phone. This is my knife, smooth, and yeah, I mean it's not from a great company, but this is my client's knife. Looks so sick, right? Not so smooth because he never take care of his knife. Like, it's rusty and he stepped through stuff. This knife has been through hard times, man. Always always take care of your knives and keep it safe. It's a weapon, yes. So he gave me to do this work for handle. Shit, my charge. And dude, I'm recording on like 1%. This is great company. If you can focus. What's the name? Benchmade. Nice. So yeah, take care of your knives. Otherwise, you can ruin a good blade, a good gun. I love guns. See you guys in the next video.